Hello, fourth grade mathematicians. We are on AIM Unit 6, AIMS 2, workshop number 2. Let's annotate as we read the question together. Amanda loves her coffee. Each day, Amanda uses 1/9 of her bag of coffee for breakfast. How much of the bag of coffee will Amanda use after 12 days? So I'm going to write B here, which is big question here. After 12 days, let me circle that too. What would you do first? I want you to think and also start writing down your thinking in your notebook, in your booklet. While you work on it, I'm going to write down the steps that we learn. So first, we should always draw a fraction tile. 2, we should write our unit fractions. 3, we've learned that we can shade in our numerator. And 4, set up an equation. And today we are going to show multiplication. I'm going to give you some time to first draw the fraction tile, write your unit fraction, shade in your numerator, and then set up an equation. Ooh, I can see friends drawing one whole and partition it to 9 equal parts. Because I'm going to write here, each day is 1/9 each day. Each day. And we're thinking, how many after 12 days? So that's a question mark right here. Yes, you're correct if you drew one fraction strip like this, which indicate one whole. And how do I know how many equal parts should I divide this into? Yes, you're looking at the denominator, which tells you how many equal parts of a whole that you have. So I'm going to try my best to partition this one strip into 9 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, that's already 10. So I can actually get rid of this. Let me get rid of this right here. So I have 9 equal parts. And this is one whole. One whole. Okay. Now I did my number 1, step 1. Now I need to write my fraction, unit fraction. I know that each day is 1/9. So I know each piece will be, yes, 1/9 each. So I'm going to write 1/9, 1/9, 1/9. I'm going to keep going. 1/9, 1/9. You're doing great. 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, and 1/9. Oopsie doopsie, right there. Now I need to shade it in my numerator. So I want you to first show me how would you shade in the numerator, thinking about the big question. How much of the bag of coffee will Amanda use after 12 days? And each day, Amanda used 1/9 of her bag of coffee. Ooh, I can hear you shading in your numerator. Yeah, you're right. If you've been doing, let me change the stroke here. Dun, 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 dun. If you've been shading in one at a time and counting, so I have 1/9. I hate that I'm covering the unit fraction, but I have 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, 8/9, 9/9. So this one whole is actually equal to 9 days. 9 ninth. How many more unit fractions should I shade in? It says 12 days, and I know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. And I'm almost only thinking about and counting the numerator. So 9 plus 3. Should I draw more fraction tile? Yeah, you're right. So let's actually draw another one whole. And I'm going to do the same thing here. The same thing with blue right here. I'm going to have same equal part because the total number of my equal parts didn't change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9. Everything will be 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, and 1/9. Now, how many more unit fraction one piece should I shade in? I stop at 9. Let me choose the same color. There you go. So I have 9/9 here. So I'm going to keep continue adding on that unit fraction 1/9. So 9/9, 10/9, 11/9, and 12/9. And I'm going to stop right there because each day she's drinking 1/9, but she wants to know how much coffee after 12 days. So now that I shade in all the things that she drank for 12 days, how can I show this as a multiplication equation? Now I'm on my last step here. I know my numerator that I shade in will keep increasing while my denominator, the total number of equal parts, did not change at all. So I'm going to write the total amount will be 12/9 because that's what I counted after I shaded in. 12/9. And how did I get 12/9? Yes, my unit fraction didn't change, so that was 1/9. And think about how many times did I count? Yeah, I counted 12. So my equation will be 1/9 times 12. That equals to 12/9. If you also want to rewrite this as a proper fraction, you can also write it as 1 whole. Oops, let me write it over here. You can write it as, so 12/9 can also equal to 1 whole, because this is 9/9 was 1 whole right here. 1 whole, and then I had 3/9 left. 3/9. Okie dokie, good job. I'm gonna draw a smiley face. I want you to try number 3 on your own, and good luck. Make sure you show all your thinking.